everyone, welcome back to my channel Sprinkle Beauty with Tina. I wish a very happy VIJAYDASHMI and Dussehra to all of you. In today's video, I'll be showing you this traditional Bengali makeup especially for VIJAYDASHMI day. And also, this is the last video from the DURGA PUJA series. So if you haven't watched the previous looks, then you can watch them from the links I have shared in the description box below. Please enjoy the video and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Now let's start the tutorial. I'm going to start with some skincare. And the first product that I am applying is this green tea serum from M Caffeine. I use this serum every day and it instantly calms my skin. If you have oily acne prone skin, then you can definitely try this out. To moisturize my face, I'm using this L'Oreal Anti-Shine Hydrafresh Gel. For the primer, I'm using a silicone based primer from NYX. This would help me in filling up my pores and I'm focusing only on my problem area. To color correct my under eyes and blemishes, I am using this orange corrector from Makeup Revolution. For my foundation, I'm using my current favorite L'Oreal True Match foundation. The consistency is quite runny, but it blends very beautifully. For highlighting the high points of my face, I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in one shade lighter than my actual skin tone. To set my base makeup, I'm using here a translucent compact powder from Rimmel London. To add some warmth and dimension to my face, I'm going to use this matte bronzer from Wet n Wild, and with the help of a big fluffy brush, I would blend it into my skin. Moving on to the eye makeup. Taking this raisin brown shade on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I will apply this as a transition shade in my crease. To intensify the transition shade, I am going to add some pinkish red shade from the palette, and with the help of a big fluffy brush, I am blending it into my crease. Using a dense and flat shader brush, I am applying the same shade all over my eyelid. Now taking some orange shade on a fluffy brush, I am going to blend the harsh edges above the crease. To make this eye makeup more interesting, I decided to add some glitter on the top. For this, I am using the glitter paste from Makeup Revolution, and the shade is Feels Like Fire. For the application, I am using a very tiny and flat shader brush. You have to be very patient while handling glitters. To get the maximum pigmentation, I would apply this very carefully in a patting motion instead of swiping. Make sure to let the first layer dry before applying the second layer. Once it dries, you will see that there is no fallout. Next, for the eyeliner, I would suggest using a liquid eyeliner because pencil and gel liners might lift the glitters off. With the same shader brush, I will apply this previous red shade in my lower lash line. Bengali makeup is incomplete without kajal, so now I am applying this smudge proof kajal in my lower waterline, and with a pencil brush, I will smudge it very slightly. Using this Pro Illuminate highlighter from Makeup Revolution, I am going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and all the high points of my face. For my lip color, I'll be mixing two shades. First, I would apply a thin layer of berry pink shade, and then after blotting it with a tissue paper, I will apply the orange shade on the top of it. To finish off the eye makeup, I have applied some mascara and falsies. As always, all the product details will be in the description box. If you are interested, then please check it out. I hope you liked the final look. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish a very happy VIJAYDASHMI and happy Dussehra to all of you. Stay safe and happy. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.